Good afternoon and welcome back to another exciting video here at our homestead in the city. We've become so self-sustaining that we rarely go to the supermarket. We prep, we can, we freeze, we vacuum seal, we dry can. Hell, I've learned to do it all. Food prices are out of control, so we become preppers. We've been frugal shopping now with loss leader sales for 19 months, and we have saved hundreds, if not thousands of dollars at the supermarket. Now, I've had people ask me many times, Jeff, why aren't you composting? Well, where I live, we have bear, mountain lion, coyote, fox, javelinas, coyote. What else we got? Lots of stuff. And I don't want to attract animals into my yard. So, I've been keeping a secret. I have here called the Moorborn Food Waste Composter. And I'm going to show it to you. Let's get started. So here we go. This is the Moorborn Food Waste Composter. Now, you can do it several ways. You can let it compost for up to 24 hours, or you can let it compost for an hour. Now, this unit, you have on it pretty self-explanatory way to use it. Comes with a nice direction manual and a relatively easy unit to work with. This lid has on the top, when it sits on there, an open and close or lock and unlock. And this is the composting pail that you will use. It does pull out so that you can take it out of here to dump it and to clean it. And it also, because of its high temperature, caution, because it's going to get hot for composting. So to get started, you want to make sure your wrapping material is completely off the unit. Put the lid on and lock it down. Close it. Then you'll want to put in what's called your activating carbon. This is in the back. This is where it goes in the back of the unit, and it explains how to do it. You push down, open this up, and this is a filter. Now the carbon filter is used to eliminate smells, the composter unit itself. So I'm going to open up the bag of the activated carbon. And all this information will be in the description below in my video. You're going to pour the carbon into the container here, and then you're going to close it up and put it back in. There you go. The thing we want to do once we get this closed up in the back is open up the top. You're going to put in, now this is optional, the flower planting substrate. You can use it all at once and let this decompose by itself for a long time, or use a little bit. Now I use the simple process. I'm going to put in the directions on the back of the bag, so simple to work with. I'm going to put a little bit in the bottom of the bucket. It's about a fourth full. Just like that, okay? The next thing I'm gonna put in there is I have some potato peelings that I need to break down into compost. So I'm gonna put them in. Like so. This is peelings from 10 pounds of potato. In the directions in the book is going to show you exactly what you can and cannot put in this unit. But you can put in there even eggshells, roots, coffee grounds, all that can go in here. So I'm going to put the lid back on, lock it down, close it and lock it. Now on the direction page, it tells you if you're going to do disposing, composing, abnormal alarm, and self-cleaning. Plug in my unit and it comes on. I'm going to press the button. After 3 seconds, the machine will go into work and it will start to do it automatically. Okay, there we go. And I can hear it running. So now what's taking place is that the machine itself is turning slowly on the top here. And it's gonna start to add heat inside of this, along with the decomposing soil and the potato peelings. And it's going to take about an hour for that to break down into decomposition. And then I can take it out and put it in my garden. Isn't that fantastic? The nice thing about the machine as well is that once the cycle is complete, the machine will beep once to remind me that it's done. And when that happens, I just simply will turn it off, unplug it, take the compost out, dump it in my garden. So I showed you how to turn it on to start for compost, but I'm gonna do what's called disposing. Disposing takes about 4 to 6 hours, and it dries everything out in here mixed with the soil breakdown that goes in with it. So in 4 to 6 hours it'll be done and I can dump it in my garden. So now I'm gonna show you how to do that function as well. So again, you're gonna plug your machine in, and then you're gonna press deposing, which is this one. And there we go. So now we can let this sit anywhere between 4 to 6 hours. And when I open this up and take it out, it'll be dried material mixed, and I can dump it right in my garden. And because I am a food prepper, I don't have a lot of food waste. I just don't, because we portion everything out so that we have the proper amount of food for 2 people for each meal. So I virtually have 0 waste, but I do have eggshells, potato peels, those type of food waste substances. So I like this little unit because I can use it at my convenience to do exactly what I want it to do. And that is to take eggshells, peelings from potatoes, or other food waste that would normally go in the trash. I can put it in here, and in 4 to 6 hours, I then can take it to the garden. And I don't have to worry about those pests coming into my yard foraging for trash. It comes with a great manual to work with, to read and to understand. And it's a great little unit for any home. Okay, so it only took 4 hours for my Moorborn compactor to break down those potato peels. Now again, as I stated, you can put all of your garden scraps, eggshells, leftover food in this baby and do decomposition, which takes 4 hours, or turn it into compost, which takes 24 hours of running this machine. And let's take a look at the end result so I can go put this in my garden. This is a great little device for anyone who lives in the city and cannot do a composting pile in their yard. Take this out and look at that. There is my compost right there, ready for the garden. So let's get that outside where it belongs. Now I also have limited garden space in the city, so I chose my greenhouses to grow my vegetables and herbs in. So this is a perfect combination for city dwellers with this Moorborn little composter to use in your garden in the city and sprinkled into my herb garden. That simple. We feed the garden. Give it a quick rinse and it's ready to go for its next use. Thank you very much for coming along, taking a look at this unit. I say, if you live in the city and you can't put any type of compost in your yard, you have a little garden like we do in the city and you want to be self-sufficient, this is the way to go. Get yourself this little compact compost machine. You'll be all set. So check out the link down below. Look at this little device.
order one. Thanks for coming along. Till next time, happy composting. Ciao.
No apologies. You do you, boo.